What's going on, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts. It is New Money Maker Mondays, and the site I have for y'all is gain.gg. The link to it will be in the description. You can sign up so you can get a bonus. One of my subscribers actually brought this to my attention, and I signed up under them. And you see here, I actually got, I think it was 100 coins that I got. But so you will get a bonus in actually signing up, with the link in the description. So real quick, I just want to show you what you could do on this. I mean, it's really not a lot that's, different from other sites, but you see here, as soon as you sign in, you'll have these offer walls that you can try out. You know what I'm saying? They're not anything new. Offer Turo, AdGate, Media, AdGem. Those are really good offer walls to use. I will tell you, there's a lot of people I know that like to watch videos and get paid for that. Ads and Media has the videos that you need in order to, get started with that. Like I said, I just signed up for this site not too long ago, so I don't have a lot as far as money goes. But you see here, I have 150 coins. We've actually looked at the withdrawal and see how much I need in order to withdraw in here. Now you see here the options that they have: Bitcoin, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum. They're working on getting things like Amazon and PayPal. So kind of bear with them. You scroll down here, you can see the reward link preferred. That's basically the same thing as cash. You know what I'm saying? So you can definitely get this like a card or whatever with cash on it, virtual or physical, however you want to do it. You can see here they have Adidas, Airbnb, eBay, things like that. And this is a fairly new site. My subscriber that brought it to my attention, we were talking about it back and forth, and he showed me some proof, things like that. So I feel like it's legit. I'm definitely going to add it into my routine. Another thing I will tell you, let me just kind of see as far as like what you actually need in order to cash out on this site, how much coins are worth like that. So let's see, I want to get Adidas right now. If I go down, you'll see there $5 is equivalent, minimum $5. So basically, let me see. That's not really giving me an idea of how much the coins are worth. So I'm gonna go back to something like, let me see. Let me do the Bitcoin. Maybe I can get something out of that. Or the referral link. That'll work better. So you see here, minimum cash out is 1 cent. You know what I'm saying? And 1 cent is equivalent to 10 coins. So, I mean, you can cash out at 1 cent. I mean, you can't really beat that. That way you can, what I tell people, if you're skeptical about signing up for a site, when they have a minimum for 1 cent, just make 1 cent and cash out. You know what I'm saying? Get your payment, then that'll motivate you. Okay, now I got that 1 cent. Let me get, 10 cents. Let me get 50 cents. Let me get $1. Then you start, really trusting the site to the point where you don't have to cash out at 1 cent anymore. You can kind of wait because you know that it's legit and they're going to pay it. Like I already told you, this site is legit. I've seen proof on it. My subscriber, he's made a lot of money with this site. I really appreciate him bringing it to my attention. But, what I'm saying, I'm just signing up for it, so I'm going to get, involved with it as well. I will tell you one thing off top that I found out in this offer walls. You go over here to gain.gg, their offer wall. You can get a penny every day just by clicking on this. It's a daily bonus that they have. It's worth 10 coins. I believe, as you do it more and more, you'll actually get, more levels. So you see here, I just did mine. I got the 10 points for doing that. So that was a penny. But like I said, I can cash out right now if I wanted to, just with the referral link preferred. I would get actually 15 cents. So, but I'm going to actually wait a little bit longer. I will be cashing out soon, and I'll do a video when I cash out on, as always, and just show you guys how to make money with it. As far as the surveys go, you see here you have to have 3,000 coins before you can access the surveys, and you see here they have your surveys and Ethereum Reach. They have them blurred out, so just so you know, you have to get 3,000 coins. But like I said, I'm gonna play around with these offer walls. I'm gonna get 3,000 coins in no time. That's nothing. Just doing the offer walls. Like I said, always make sure you go here and do your daily login bonus. And that way you can, guarantee your penny every day. It's a quick 30 cents a month just for just clicking on something. I mean, it doesn't, mean a lot, but, just continuously adding up little things, make a big time income. You know what I'm saying? Like there's a lot of sites that have like a 1 cent daily login, daily bonus. And you just think about it, if you do that every day, you know what I'm saying, how quickly it can add up, in addition to doing surveys, in addition to doing the offers, in addition to watching videos, all that kind of good stuff. So I just wanted to bring this site to your attention. You can see here at the top, what users are, what they're doing, and as far as like making money. You kind of hover over the bonus, see the daily bonus right there. This person, they got 92 coins from Ethereum Reach. Took them 7 minutes for that survey. You see that? 7 minutes and 57 seconds. Over here, the welcome bonus, you get, like I said, you get 100 coins when you actually sign up. So that's why I tell you to sign up with the link in the description. And, you know, Theorem Reach again, 6 coins. I think that took them, what, 7 minutes and 50s. That was weird. Maybe that's not the time. Maybe that's something different. But maybe, that's actually the time that they did the survey. My bad. I'm thinking that's how long the survey was. But that's actually the time they did the survey. So you see all of these are within like a minute. So users are using this site. You know what I'm saying? So I highly encourage you guys to use it. There's a lot of offers in here that you can choose from when it comes to offer Turo. You got the daily bonus. You got the asset media where you can watch videos, and then you get 3,000 points or 3,000 coins. You can jump over here to your surveys and Theorem Reach and even boost your earnings further. All right. So you saw the different ways you can cash out. Like I said, the link is in the description for you to sign up today. You will get 100 coins, which is equivalent to 10 cents. You can cash out right then and there, right after you basically, you know, create your account, just so you have proof for yourself that you can see with your own eyes that this site is legit. All right. So like I said, sign up with the link in the description. If you're new to my channel, definitely subscribe, because I'm always showing you guys new ways to make money online all the time. You see here, right, that button just popped up, Hideout TV withdrawal. They made 3,168 coins just off Hideout TV. Y'all just watching the video. So you see it's money in the site. People are still doing, look, 224. It's a lot of money in this, y'all. Get involved with it today. Like I said, you want to do Hideout TV, jump over here to Ads and Media. They're all in there. All right. So sign up with the link in the description. And always remember, every penny counts.